Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to repost Instagram story on your account. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your Instagram application, and whenever you open it, now you just need to make sure that you are in the home sections or the first section on this bottom rows here. And after that, you just need to jump into this right upper corner. You will see two symbols, which is love and inbox or DM, and now you just need to go click the DM part, and you need to check who's tagged you on their story, and after that you just need to go click it. And when someone mention you into their story, you will be able to repost the picture. And now you just need to go click this add to your story, and you can adjusting the size. If you want to make this story like fulfilling all of the screen on your phone, you just need to simply click the picture. And whenever you're done, you can also add in several informations on it by click this alphabet and start typing. Or if you want to only creating or adding an emoji, you just need to go click it, and after that you just need to go click done and adjusting the positions of the emoji that you write. And after you're done, you just need to go click add to your story to repost it. And now you need to check either the post is already reposted into your story or not. You just need to wait until the uploading process is complete. So that's the way how to repost Instagram story on your account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.